In this section, we're going to see how to build an administration panel to manage our social photo web application. In this first video, we're going to create the basic setup for CRUD operations. The backend must have restricted access and should have a dynamic table to show and manage the database contents. We just defined two issues to solve. For the authentication part, we can open the routing.php file and copy the firewall to create a new firewall, but this time only for users with an administration role. We should also allow the admin to view the website, including the role in the first firewall in this way. For the moment, we could also create the first route for an admin controller homepage secured by our new firewall definition. To build the controller, we're going to create a new folder under controller called admin. Then we are going to create a file called admin.home.php that might have this code inside. It's just a rendering of a simple view. The view, as you notice, can also be located under an admin template directory for organizing our project. Before going ahead with the template, we're going to have a look into a JavaScript table system. Why JavaScript? This is because we want to use asynchronous calls and dynamic layout. The choice is to install a library that supports jQuery, which is already present in our stack. We're going to install jtable from jtable.org. It is quite easy to use and to understand. To be honest, you could use any other library. The important thing here is the approach we are going to use. To install jtable, you can download the package and include the entire directory under our web.js directory. Jtable requires jQuery UI, which is available on jQueryui.com. You can quickly download the latest stable version and put the whole jQuery folder under the web.js as well. The next step is to create the layout. We are going to create a base template in the templates/admin folder. The admin_base.html.twig provides the top navigation bar and includes JavaScript and CSS files we need. Now it's time to create the admin_index template used in the controller before. The admin template extends the base template and shows a generic message. To test the page, we should update our user from the database, changing the role field. Let's open the terminal, entering in the MySQL Docker container, then log into the MySQL client console. Perform a select to see the user ID. Finally, run an update in this way to change the user role. Let's open the browser. Perform the login with the admin user. Then open the /admin page. And here we go, we are in the admin panel. In this video, we saw how to set up an administration panel with restricted access.